Maven and why do we need Maven? Maven is a build automation tool which can help you automate the build process of your project. What exactly it means? Let's see. Suppose you are working on a project which is very huge and you have to add lot many third-party dependencies and libraries to your project. Particularly for Java projects, we may be using so many third-party libraries. So if the project is so huge and if you have to add lot many dependencies manually, it's a very challenging and a tedious job. Also, if these dependencies are getting upgraded, again you have to add the different versions of those dependencies, where the task becomes much more complex and much more hectic. So this can be handled very easily through Maven. Maven can dynamically add the dependencies to your project. So this problem can be overcome by using a build automation tool like Maven. Also, particularly for projects like DevOps, where you need continuous builds, continuous integration and continuous testing, there comes a need of a build automation tool which can help you to execute these tasks continuously and repetitively. So again, Maven or any build automation tool comes in picture. So Maven is used to automate the build process of adding the dependencies to your projects, of continuously integrating, testing, building. All these tasks can be done through Maven very easily, as well as Maven can also be used to document the project so well. So these are all the major things which a build automation tool can do, particularly which Maven can do. There are so many build automation tools like Maven, and Gradle, Enant, PyBuilder, and so on. So Maven is basically for the Java projects, but it can also be used to build other projects like C Sharp, Ruby, Scala, and so on. And Ant is also for Java, Gradle is also for Java projects, and Enant is for .NET applications. And then PyBuilder to build Python projects. So this is how we have different build automation tools. The major concept is same, but the way they work may be different. In Maven, we'll be using a very important component called POM. We'll talk about the Maven architecture and the POM file in detail.